Hey GMAT viewers, this is Pete McCaffrey from the Ohio State University's Fisher College of Business MBA class of 2016. If you're watching this, you're probably studying for the GMAT now or preparing to do so here soon. I want to provide a few tips based on my experiences of things that went well and things that I would have done differently that might help you on your own studying search. First, a couple of things that went well for me were that I took 5 practice tests, full-length practice tests in preparation for the full-length exam. Doing so not only familiarized me with the directions and the actual parts of the exam, but I was actually very well acquainted with the time. So as I was going through the test, I knew very well how much time had passed and if I needed to speed up or slow down based on my progress. Secondly, the week prior to my exam, I was in the part of town where my test center was, and I drove by just to make sure I knew where it was, knew where the entrance was, and knew where the parking was. It's really important on test day to minimize any secondary forms of stress because you're going to have enough on your mind getting ready to take the exam. By knowing where the test center is, it's going to help you get there on time so you've got one less thing to worry about. Lastly, one thing that I would have done differently is I would have studied over a longer time frame. I studied for 6 weeks, about 2 hours a night with a full-length exam every weekend in preparation for the exam. In hindsight, I would have spent more time, but more importantly, over a longer time period, revisiting subjects from the beginning of my study period. What happened was on test day, I was very familiar with the concepts I'd most recently studied, but very unfamiliar with the things from the start. It's more successful to study the same things over a longer period of time than trying to cram it all into a short time frame. Good luck on the GMAT and good luck studying.